Alright guys, so we are going to be installing our carbon fiber hood lift support. So these are pretty cool. These are by CMC, I think. Classic. I'm not quite sure, but I'll find out if you guys really want to know. So we're going ahead and installing them. Okay, and we're done, and this is how they look. So you put it on the bolt in here. I first did this one, but it was actually this one. And now let's show you guys how simple so we don't need that on anymore. Holds the hood up completely. And then you pull down. As you can see, it holds the hood up until halfway. Lift the hood up, and it holds. So much nicer.